Hi loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we're talking all about the Sephora sale that is happening just a few days away and my recommendations for what I think is worth the splurge. So before we get started, hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much, and share this video with somebody you think might like it. Let's do it. All right, so I want to preface this video with, I know this is probably for the most part not ideal time to be shopping at a more luxury store like Sephora, but I know that a lot of you guys are waiting to this time to spend your money wisely. So please, you don't need to obviously have all of these products, but if you're looking for my recommendations on what I feel is worth it if you want to spend the money during this time, this is my recommendations. All right, so it would not be an Elle video if I did not tell you it's time to stock up on some of my favorites, okay, on Hourglass. It's the perfect time to save money on those powders that you guys have been wanting. So obviously the Ambient lighting powders are my holy grail. They wear them every day. I've been wearing them for years. Anything pretty much powder-wise from Hourglass, I absolutely love. I love their bronzers, their blushes, their powders, all of that I think is absolutely well worth it. They will last you also for a very, very long time. So they're not this like throw away one and done type of things. All right, so now let's move on to a little bit of skincare. Again, it's time, if you are a Tatcha fan, take advantage of this discount, especially if you are Rouge. Stock up on a couple of the essences. Probably if you bought two of them, yes, I know they're higher priced, it would probably last you about a year and a couple of months, so you don't really have to repurchase it after that. I love the Tatcha Camellia Cleansing Oil. The Dewy Skin Moisturizer is fantastic, and that is where I would stick with Tatcha. Of course, they have their vitamin C serum, which is gorgeous. The last two things I'll recommend from the brand is their Tatcha's vitamin C mask. It is to die for. I use it several times a week. I also carry it for my studio, my skin studio. I love it. I will not go without this. And then this is just going to be a splurge if you so choose to be that Tatcha girl. Their Tatcha Kissu lip mask they just relaunched has been one of my favorites from day one when it came out, I think over a year ago. I use it every single day, all day long. I love it. I actually like it better than the Biossance Rose Lip Balm. This is one of my favorites. Now, this is going to be a new launch that I've had the pleasure of trying over the past 3.5 weeks. This is for my oily skin girls, okay? This is a brand new launch from Pharmacy. This is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. And I actually like it because, well, for a lot of reasons. A, because the ingredients in here feed the skin. There's no silicones in it. It's all, you know, green at Sephora. But I also love it because it controls oil over time. But it also has a lot of hydrating properties in it, but it is a gel. So I'm really gravitating towards this during the day, and then of course using a more hydrating one at night. But it is a beautiful moisturizer. It plays beautifully under SPF, under makeup. Again, I've had the pleasure of using this before it launched and I love it. It is just really nourishing and hydrating to the skin. Again, my oily skin girls, if you're looking for a moisturizer that is in Sephora, this is one of my favorites for something that's really lightweight and not overly occlusive that is going to make you feel like you're suffocated or make you break out or things of that nature. So I highly recommend this, and it comes in such a large tub and you only need a little bit of this, you guys. It goes a very long way. So this probably would last you a long time, at least half a year. All right, so sticking with our skincare theme, this is something that I also just got sent, and I've been trying it for the past couple of weeks. This is a brand new launch by Youth to the People. This is their Yerba Mate Resurfacing Energy Facial. It's gorgeous, okay? And I want to tell you a little bit about it. Now, this is for somebody that cannot use acids. I know that there's a lot of people out there that cannot use topical acids, so i.e. AHAs and BHAs. This is going to be a micro exfoliant. It also has an enzymatic exfoliation in it as well. It has bamboo in it. It's also a triple powered microdermabrasion treatment amplified by active enzymes, microexfoliants, and caffeine for smoother, visibly radiant skin. And it's literally, you only leave it on for about 2 minutes. It's very effective. I would not recommend this for sensitive skin types, but I would recommend this for combination oily, normal skin that has textural issues, pore issues, even some acne, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, texture issues, that type of thing. This would be beautiful. I only recommend you use this once a week. It is, again, very effective. And it is definitely a high exfoliation, but done has no scent to it, which I love. It's done in a very, I could say, considerate way. So if you cannot use topical acids, but you're still looking for like a mask really quick, obviously vegan, cruelty-free, all of that, that has, again, that microdermabrasion plus the enzymatic exfoliation with papaya in here, this is the way to go. A little bit goes a long way as well. Let's talk about last things to kind of stock up on. I'm going to go real quick because these are some of the things I've talked about for a long time. If you can handle the Drunk Elephant vitamin C with ferulic acid and vitamin E in it, this is their vitamin C day serum. It's extremely good. It has really great ingredients in it. It's very potent. So if you cannot handle vitamin C or high doses of vitamin C, this is not for you. But if you can, this is a fantastic one to get, and it's expensive. So this is the time to get it at a discount. As well as your Biossance products. So any of the ones that you really, really enjoy. I have their new, sorry, I totally forgot. I have their new SPF. I have it on actually today. It's gorgeous. This is squalene and zinc, so it's a physical sunscreen. This is their Bakuchiol serum. I highly recommend this in place of a vitamin A retinol if you can't handle or retinol, I'm sorry. If you have darker complexion and you cannot find a SPF that does not go on white, it is stunning. It would be actually great for summer because it'll actually double as your moisturizer. Great for oily skin because, again, it'll double as your moisturizer. So that is it's really great. I've been really enjoying that. Oh, I forgot to mention this. Sorry, it's all over the place. The Tatcha, the Liquid Silk Canvas. It's probably one of the only primers I really use besides the Too Faced Hangover Primer. This is time to get it, guys. Now for my moisturizers, you guys always ask me what moisturizers I use. If you guys want me to do a moisturizer video, please let me know, comment below, and I will do a whole moisturizer video. You know that I don't feel people need to spend a ton of money on moisturizers. I just don't. They're occlusive properties that hydrate the skin. You can find very inexpensive ones all over the place, okay, that are cruelty-free and vegan and all that stuff. But the ones that I currently am using is obviously the pharmacy one, which we talked about. This is the brand new one from Milk. This is their vegan moisturizer. It's gorgeous. It is heavier, so if you are drier to normal, this is for you. This is the one I've been using at night recently, along with my Tatcha Dewy Skin Moisturizer and a couple other Skin Fix Moisturizer. But this is also a new launch. Oh, it's from Pharmacy too. I didn't even think about it. That's not planned. But they have better days ahead. This is their Restorative Cushion Cream. It is CBD based, and it is beautiful. It's very rich. It's a perfect night cream. I love it. Gorgeous. All right, last couple things here. If you guys haven't heard of this brand, Tower 28, I also want to do a whole video about brand new indie brands on the market that you really need to know about and support if you can. One of the brands is Tower 28. None of their products are over $28, but this is beautiful. So this, again, is for my oily, acne-prone, rosacea, sensitive skin types. This is going to be a beautiful toner. This is also great if you have bug bites, if you have a scrape. It has a beautiful property in it that is a skin healing property. This is also approved by the Eczema Foundation, one of their only products that have been approved. Their whole line is for sensitive skin. But this is a beautiful spray. I've now incorporated it into my skincare studio. I use this after I do extractions or after I do exfoliation. It's calming. It is called the SOS. It's called Save Our Skin Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray. You can use it throughout the day if you want to, but it's really there to calm, treat, soothe. It's almost antibacterial. So this is the jam. If you guys have not tried this, it's awesome on a sunburn too. So FYI, great product. Staying in that same line, I actually have quite a few. I bought quite a few products from their brand. They have like a lip gloss. It's super cute. It's not, you know, it's good. It's good, but it's not like you need to spend a ton of money on it. But their cream blushes are gorgeous. My favorite one is called Magic Hour. I have it on now underneath my powder blush. And then the other one I love, which is more of a like a peachy color, is Golden Hour. And they are the most stunning, creamy, blendable. You can use them on your lips. You can use them on your eyes, of course, your cheeks. They're kind of like a multi-stick. They remind me a lot of Bite Beauty's multi-sticks that they have discontinued. But this is fantastic. I love them. I'm sure you recently saw in a video I just did with the dupes video where I duped some of my most expensive non-cruelty-free items for cruelty-free items. This is by Tarth. This is their cream bronzer. It has been sold out forever, but it's now back in stock. This is the little guy. The big guy I probably will get next time. I'm in the color Breezy. It is the perfect dupe for the Chanel Soleil Tan, and it's also just so beautiful. It comes in a couple different colors if you are a deeper skin tone than me. It goes on seamlessly. It's velvety. It's just well made product. Very well made product. All right, we're rounding this out here, guys. This blush from IT Cosmetics is called a Bye Bye Pores. This is in Naturally Pretty. I now have been wearing it like every single day over cream blush. I don't know what it is, but I have it on right now. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's matte, so if you're not into kind of shimmery blushes, this is your jam. Okay. So for concealers, this again is now timed for, in my opinion, to stock up on your Charlotte Tilbury stuff. If you're interested in any of her eyeshadow palettes, if you're interested in her concealer, which is one of my holy grails, I still cannot stop using it. I have it on today. This is what I'm going to buy, okay? And I'll tell you what I'm going to buy at the end of this video, so stay with me. And I also have a giveaway today. So if you stay to the middle, you are getting a bonus. But yeah, so her concealer, to die for, especially for aging skin where you're kind of noticing some crepiness going on. The Ilia concealer, I am almost out of this one. You can see it. I need to buy another one. And then the Kosas foundation. So if you are a Barely There foundation girl, this is fantastic. It's a Barely There concealer, has great skincare properties to it. It's beautiful. So that would be great. All right, so what I'm buying for this sale is obviously the Charlotte Tilbury concealer. I'm in number 3 and number 2, so I'll buy both of them. I'm going to buy my Perversion waterproof mascara. I'm also going to buy a few of the Hourglass products because it's time to stock up on those. And then I also am going to be buying the new Ren Vitamin C Overnight Moisturizer. Excuse me, because they say they have a 7-day challenge, that it will reduce pigmentation in 7 days. Do you know how many things I have tried to reduce pigmentation? So if you want to see that video, a 7-day trial of that video for me, because my pigmentation is stubborn, okay? Let me know, comment below, and I will do that video for you guys, because that I have to get my hands on. What else am I buying? I actually am not going to be buying too much more. You know, I'm kind of with everybody else in the boat. You know, I can't do my skin practice. I can't see clients, and you know, views are down with YouTube, which doesn't bother me. But you know, that type of thing. So we're just trying to, at our house, be a little bit more minimalistic, try to live with a little bit less. So I'm trying to give that, you know, to you. But I know that you guys want to know what I would suggest buying. And that is kind of my feedback there. So I'm not going to be buying a ton, but I will be stocking up on a few things that I just mentioned, as well as the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Lip Gloss in Darling. That is one of my other staple go-tos for every day. All right, so yeah, so I want to know what you are buying. I would love to hear that from you guys, what you're looking forward to. And for the giveaway today, I really want to get back to you. Now, I can't can't send any of this until we're obviously released from isolation, so bear with me, but I'm going to be giving 2 lucky winners a goodie box from me with some great stuff I've been kind of stockpiling up for you, buying, and just waiting for the right time to do this. So comment below, 18 years and older. At this time, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to close this to only US and Canada, just because shipping costs right now across seas are very, very, very expensive. So I'm gonna have it Canada and the United States, 18 and older, but just comment below, hi, what you're planning on buying, what you're not planning on buying, and I will pick a winner 48 hours after, 2 winners actually, 48 hours after this video goes live. And if you stay to the end, give me a little hashtag stay to the end squad. I love you all so much. I hope you guys are staying safe. Please know that you do not have to buy anything at the Sephora sale. There will be another one at the holiday time that you can get your extra stuff. But if you wanted to know, here's my recommendations. I think about every one of you guys every single day, and I really hope you guys are staying healthy, happy, sane, and I love you all, and I will see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.